Certain lawyers and judges are legal terrorists. They are killing justice every day. Convict MLA Mickey said it. Accused Mickey was produced before the Margam court on Thursday during hearing on his casino extortion case. The case will be heard on 14th October. Mickey's counsel said prosecution has added a section 341 in the charge sheet without the permission of the court. Section 341 is cognizable and is charged for wrongful restraint. Arguments on the aspect were partly heard.
Accused number 1 खातीर advocate Anapet Vegasan arguments before charge केले. Accused number 2 खातीर advocate Shrikant Naik already last date केले. आणि आता तांच्यानी जेरल्ड complainant आसा ताणे एक advocate appoint केला आपल्या खातीर to assist prosecution. ताणे time seek केला आणि फुडले डेटीक तांचे arguments.
किती असले चार्जेस?
Sorry.
किती चार्जेस फाईल केले आहेत?
Charges actually under section 341 which are added later. पहिली नाशिले which is a cognizable offence. जे मागीर add केला तांच्यानी without the permission of the court which is not permissible. ह्या पॉइंटाचेर arguments जातले.
Next date can be.
Fully date आता 14th October 2030.
Notice in politics there is justice, injustice. And there is no justice and there is no. I believe there are certain lawyers and certain judges are India's terrorists, legal terrorists. Every day killing the justice.
Vaccination of dogs is vital to keep humans and dogs rabies free. Mission Rabies have successfully decreased the number of rabies cases in the state. Last year around 77 cases were reported in the state and this year only 11 cases of rabies have been detected, which means rabies cases are on decline. Mission Rabies campaign will continue for another 3 years with the help of government to sterilize and vaccinate dogs.
Looking at our map of rabies reports from last year, in 6 months last year, we picked up 77 positive rabid dogs over a 6-month period off the streets of Goa. If we compare that now with this year's map, granted this is only after 1 month compared to 6 months last year, this month we've had 11 positive rabies cases in Goa. But you can see from last year, we had a huge number of dogs testing positive in Margam. There were rabid dogs coming up every week almost in Margam last year, but that's where we vaccinated the most dogs. And this year, we haven't had a single rabies case from Margam. So we can already see right here in Goa from our work last year that this is having an effect. This is working on the areas we've worked, and we need to just expand that now across the whole state.
The government of Goa have shown their commitment to the programme and have now match funded our current contribution from UK donors, so that we can now run this large-scale, month-long mass vaccination drive, which we've just completed.
This year, thanks to the government of Goa, this year the vaccination is done with the funding of the government of Goa. For the first time, the whole Goan state is doing this with the government participation. So that is going to be fantastic for this start. So this awareness we have to create.
Today is the last date of filing nominations for the state municipal polls and the candidates are flocking. After the scrutiny of nominations, withdrawal will be by 10th of October. 11 municipalities are facing the polls on 25th October. Congress, the BJP and the independent MLAs are in fray with the panels backed by them to show off the strength, though the polls are without a party symbol. It's a semi-finale for the party in power to test its popularity considering the upcoming state assembly poll.
आणि लोकांच्या आदाराचेर हांव परतो मुखार सरला आनी म्हाका फुल विश्वास आसा की ह्या फावटी म्हाका ते चडांत चड मतांनी इलेक्शन दितले.
One is the sewage problem. In fact, the cards that we've printed also, we have kind of highlighted the tackles that we want to issue currently. One is the door-to-door garbage collection, where a lot of people still have issues with, where things have to be synchronized. The next is sewerage infrastructure.
म्हाका वॉर्ड नंबर 19 फूल लोकांचो सपोर्ट आसा. हांव इंडिपेंडंट रावता. आयज जे कॉन्सिलर आसा ते रोखडे कितें MLA जावपाक पळयता. आयज तशें ना. आयज बारीक लोकां भितून वचून तेंगेली बारीक कामां करची कौन्सिलराची फक्त की 2 खंयो केल्यो म्हणून बारीक कामां आसा रेशन कार्ड वोटिंग कार्ड रेशन कार्ड कसली लाडली गृह आधार ही जी बारीक लोकांची मॉडेल तेंच्या घरान वचून करची पडटा तांकां कळना थोड्यांक टायम नासता.
In fact, environment is very close to my heart, so looking at the cleanliness of the roads, cleaning the gutters and the garbage would be my priority. I've been in Madel for a long time and I know the lot of problems that Madel people are facing. So if I'm elected, I'm looking forward to make Madel more beautiful.
The voters are backing me with full support. My issues is garbage problem. We are going to solve the garbage problem. There's door-to-door garbage problem.
Actually, my priority has always been as far as the waste management is concerned, that it should be streamlined. And even though I was not a councillor for last 5 years, I think the work that I have done, even not being the councillor for the city of Margao, will be much more compared to many of the councillors of Margao Municipal Council, which can be clearly seen actually. The Margao city being a commercial capital, first of all, I have always been saying that there are lots of scope for raising of revenue, and by raising of revenue, if we tap all the sources, we have got enough of funds to undertake development to a very large scale.
आणि आता परत आम्ही दोघांनी फॉर्म भरला म्हणून एकले विथड्रॉ करतली ना कारण लोकांचो डिमांड खूप आसलो सामको आनी अजुनूय कितें जालां म्हजो वार्ड सगळो डिवायड केलो सगळो काडून उडतालो सो म्हाका परत लोक त्या दुसऱ्या वार्डाक पळयतात की तुमकां तूं ह्या वार्डाक खूब काम केलें तर तूं त्या वार्डाक यो म्हणून आतां लोकांनी काम करपाक लोकांची काम करपाक लोकांय लायटीचें उदकाचें रोडाचें जायरूय कसलें काम आसता
प्रायोरिटी म्हळ्यार हांवें जायत कामां हातीन घेतलीं पूण कितें आसता जेन्ना तुगेली गव्हर्मेंटाचो हेल्प नासतना जावं ऑफिसराक हेल्प नासतना थोडी कामां डिले जाताय सो ती मुगेली उरली ती कामां काबार करपाचो यत्न नासतलो.
We have a lot of problems there. First, there's the garbage. Garbage is, I think, entire Margaon's problem. You sort out with garbage first, then the drainage. Whatever comes up, we'll try to sort out people's problem. Should be the main criteria.
इलेक्शनाक उपर पयले फावट बसला आनी आमच्या फातोर्डा मडगांव सद्या गार्बेजचो मेन इशू आहा तो जर आमच्यान जर सॉल्व करपा जातलो जाल्यार ते आमी जायते आमची ट्राय करतले आनी जायते तशें सगळे कॉन्सलर एकठांय घेवन आमी मुखार वयतले.
A nano caught fire at Rabandar Causeway on Wednesday night. Incident occurred at around 9 o'clock. Short circuit is said to have caused the incident. The onboard driver rescued himself safely. The fire at the engine engulfed the car in few minutes. Complete car turned to ashes by the time the fire brigade reached the spot. The incident at the middle of the causeway led to traffic blockade and jam, which eased out after the vehicle was shifted. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.